I think parang nire-ready ko yung mind ko talaga kasi that's the most important thing for me. Kasi, kailangan ko daw po kasi yung ballpen ko para mamaya. For me, I'm at 100% ready sa mindset kasi syempre, it's a whole different experience for me, an opportunity. So, kailangan ko maging ready mentally and physically naman. We are gelling as a team and I'm very happy that sobrang less adjustments lang sa team kasi despite now we're coming from all different system, but we are trying our best to adjust to each and every one, lalo nang may ates kami to guide us, and I'm very grateful na yung mga ates na yon nag-step up talaga at gina-guide kami, lalo na sa training. Kasi kagaya nga po na sabi nyo, katapos lang ng UAAP, so despite having rest for a week or more, still yung katawan namin ready. And talagang hindi naman namin pinabayaan yung katawan namin. Hindi naman kami nag-rest talaga. We're doing active rest pa rin kahit wala kaming training. So, kahit nung nag-start na kami ng Monday, lahat kami ready. Yung katawan namin ready. Yeah, there's a factor of me na gigil rin na bumalik. But despite that gigil, I want to make sure myself first na okay ako and kalma ako all throughout this ABC Challenge Cup. Nililook forward ko talaga kung paano kami maglaro inside the court kasi I've seen my teammates, syempre nag-training kami, and nakita ko rin kung gano'n namin kaya lahat-lahat ng pinagdaanan namin sa training. So I'm very excited na makita or ipakita sa inyo kung anong nagawa namin sa training. Syempre, there's always pressure kasi nga national team, but kagaya nga nasabi ni Ate Julia, less pressure to all of us kasi ngayon lang din naman kami nagkakilala sa loob ng court. Ngayon lang kami talaga wala pang more than a week. So, less pressure. We have to play our game lang, A-game lang. And kung ano lang naman makikita nyo inside the court siguro sa laro namin is yung Angel kanina naglalaro din ng UAAP. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang is that kung ano ako maglaro ng UAAP, I think mas gusto kong angatan pa rin. Kasi, syempre, you're playing sa national team, not sa isang school lang. It's a whole different level na kasi if you're playing sa national team, you're playing for the country, you're playing for all the Filipinos here. So,